Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Lily.
I'm Bella. So today we're going to do a 3-part squishy Christmas present videos. This is going to be the first out of 3. We did one last year and that video is going to be above us, so you can click to watch that. We had some really awesome ones last year, so we're hoping for even better ones this year.
Some real good ones.
So today we're each going to open 2 of them, and I'm going to pick mine 2 and Lily's going to pick her 2. And I'm going to pick this one first because it's really big.
I'm going to pick this one.
I'll do this.
They're matching.
Okay. So
let's be twins.
Okay. So I'm gonna open this one first. Lily, open this one. Okay.
I like the little theme.
Okay, so the one I got was this Yanbor. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this one was made in China.
Ooh.
I don't really know what this is.
I got it too.
Kind of has a weird face on it.
You know what this reminds me of? Those baby dolls that they sell at like Walmart and stuff that freak you out.
Oh, this is weird.
Ew! Ew! That's gonna have to stay up here. I'm not bringing that in my room. Okay, I can't open it. Wait, I got it. Okay.
So this is super squishy.
It smells like peach.
It's really soft.
And it's lips. I don't know what that is in the middle. I think that's a tongue. This is freaky.
So
wait,
it has a butt on the back.
I don't know if this was supposed to be funny or like. Sorry, mine's squished in, so it's all.
I don't know if this is a peach or like a.
Its head is very tiny. Really awesome because it's crazy and I've never seen anything like this before.
He's really.
He is so squishy.
Hold on. Hold on.
Ew. Oh, look at its butt. Pew, pew. Oh.
So yeah, I love this one a lot. I don't really love its face, but it's.
This is going in my room. I'm
excited. Yeah. Now next one.
I'm gonna name mine. I'm gonna name him something really exotic, like Chalupe.
I'm not gonna name mine because that's kind of weird.
This is Chalupe.
Next
and
box.
This doesn't have a name.
Here you go.
That's sad. You should really miss it.
So next one I got a big piece of bread. I've never seen this bread in real life, but I know it's bread because I can kind of tell.
I've seen that bread so many times. A lot of people have it. Look at mine, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Is it a cactus?
Nice. It's a cactus, but it's not like soft, like your normal squishy where you bend it and it makes these marks. It's
hers is really soft.
Wait, let me.
But mine smells pretty. Mine smells like.
Okay, ready?
Nothing, but I mean like.
Look at that squish.
So, this is what it looks like over it. It has good like color, and it's kind of soft on the bottom. It's kind of weird.
Mine smells like cold.
Pancake.
Peachy.
It looks like a pancake if you turn it over, but
mine
when you
smells
turn
like
it this way.
peach. Mom, mine has a snowflake on it, and it smells like peach.
Is it a cactus?
It's a cactus. Now I'm naming him, her, it. I'm going to be naming it, Penelope. I know a Penelope.
Kind of smells like a candle, because like a candle tells you it smells like something like, there'll be like sand and water, and it doesn't smell like sand and water, but it still smells good.
Sand and
that's kind of what this smells like.
So stay tuned for our part 2 of this video, so you can see us open
two more parts.
Watch us open squishies.
So yeah, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.